The invention and development of the motor car or automobile is a remarkable journey that spans over centuries. This transformative innovation has revolutionized transportation, industry, and society as a whole. Here is an overview of the key milestones and figures in the history of the motor car. Early beginnings. The conceptualization of self-propelled vehicles dates back to the Renaissance, with Leonardo da Vinci designing a self-propelled cart powered by springs and gears. Though it was never built, it laid the groundwork for future inventions. The steam-powered era. French inventor Nicolas-Joseph Cugnot built the first self-propelled mechanical vehicle, a steam-powered tricycle intended for hauling artillery. This fardier à vapeur was capable of moving at a walking pace and is considered the world's first automobile. In 1801, British inventor Richard Trevithick developed a steam-powered road vehicle called the Puffing Devil. It was a steam carriage that demonstrated the potential of steam power for road travel. The birth of the internal combustion engine. Belgian engineer Etienne Lenoir created the first successful internal combustion engine in 1860, which ran on coal gas and was used to power a vehicle in 1862. This engine marked a significant step forward in automotive technology. In 1876, Nicolas Otto developed the four-stroke internal combustion engine, known as the Otto cycle engine. This engine became the standard for future automobile engines due to its efficiency and power. The first modern automobiles. In 1885, German engineer Karl Benz is credited with inventing the first true automobile. He built the Benz patent motor wagon, a three-wheeled vehicle powered by an internal combustion engine. Benz's car was patented in 1886 and is considered the first production automobile. In 1886, German inventors Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach created the first four-wheeled automobile, the Daimler motor carriage. It featured a more advanced internal combustion engine and set the stage for future car designs. Mass production and the rise of the automobile industry. In 1901, American industrialist Ransom Olds introduced the assembly line in automobile manufacturing with the Oldsmobile curved dash. This innovation significantly reduced the cost and time required to produce cars, making them more accessible. In 1908, Henry Ford revolutionized the automobile industry with the introduction of the Model T. By perfecting the moving assembly line, Ford was able to mass-produce affordable cars, bringing automobile ownership to the masses. Technological advancements and modernization, 1920s to 1930s. The automotive industry saw significant advancements, including the development of electric starters, better braking systems, and more powerful engines. Automobiles became more reliable, comfortable, and efficient. Post-World War II, the automobile industry experienced rapid growth and innovation. New materials, aerodynamics, and safety features were incorporated into car designs. The rise of car culture in the 1950s and 1960s saw automobiles become symbols of freedom and status. The digital age and future of automobiles, late 20th century. The introduction of computer technology transformed automotive design and manufacturing. Features like fuel injection, anti-lock braking systems, ABS, and electronic stability control improved performance and safety. 21st century. The focus shifted towards sustainability and connectivity. Hybrid and electric vehicles gained popularity, and advancements in autonomous driving technology promised to redefine the future of transportation. Key figures and milestones. Bertha Benz. In 1888, Bertha Benz, the wife of Karl Benz, made the first long-distance automobile trip, demonstrating the practicality and reliability of the motor wagon. Henry Ford's implementation of the moving assembly line in 1913 revolutionized mass production, making cars affordable for the general public. Elon Musk. In the 21st century, Musk's company Tesla has played a pivotal role in popularizing electric vehicles and advancing autonomous driving technology. Conclusion. The history of the motor car is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of innovation. From steam-powered contraptions to modern electric vehicles, the evolution of the automobile has profoundly impacted society, shaping the way we live, work, and travel. As technology continues to advance, The future of the motor car promises even greater transformations, driving us towards a more connected, sustainable, and efficient world. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel.